Hello everyone, Hala Nohhh. This is Paul, man. And yesterday I received a video from my close friend. His name is Arthur Cabajo. I received a video and the title is Areneo Bullying. I live here in Canada for almost 23 years. Meaning I live here since birth. And now I'm going to watch, or I want to watch this video because the video got viral online. Not only in the Philippines, but all over the world, man. All over. And this is my reaction, man. Okay, let's watch this. Watch this. Keep on watching, man. Keep on watching.
Pero pa siyang, uy, gano'n seryoso. Gusto mo mabagbag o gusto mo mawala yung dignidad mo?
Wait. I've been here in the Philippines 5 times this year. This year, man, 5 times. That's why I learned a lot of Filipino languages, Tagalog and Bisaya, and even Ilonggo. I know a little bit of Tagalog, Bisaya, and Ilonggo, and that's why I understand a little bit Tagalog, man. He said dignidad or bogbog. So keep on watching, man. Keep on watching. We will see what will happen next. Okay. Wait. Look at the gap. Look at the gap of the height, man. The small boy asking to a taller boy. He said, "You will chew us. Dignidad or bugbog?" Oh man, what the look at the height, man. We will see what will happen next. What the oh my god, he can count, man. I can't believe it. At his age, he already know how to count. He said 5, 4, 3, 2, and even 1. Oh my god. At his age, he's only 13 or 14 years old. He can't count. Unlike me, I can't. Because I started counting when I was 18 years old, and now I'm 23. That's why I can count from 1 to 100. Look at him. He can count. What the unbelievable. What? Okay, let's continue, man.
Sayang, tapos na sana to, okay?
He chew us bugbog. Bugbog meaning fight or punch. I mean punch, a lot of punch. Continue, man.
Bilis. Gusto mo ibig sabihin? Kasi kung pinili niya yung dignidad, papaluin ko siya, tapos hahalikan niya yung pareho kong sapatos, tapos papahalikan ko sa kanya yung bayag ko. Pero gusto niya mabugbog. Let's go!
What the Cut. The title of the video was Ateneo Bullying, and I researched. Ateneo is a famous school in the Philippines, man. One of the famous school, a private school. A young boy studying there. Oh my god. Is that what you learned from your school? from the school? Really? Oh my God, can't believe it. Unbelievable. What's going on? Continue. Ooh. He punched him. Continue. 1, 2. Two kick, man. He kicked him. What the Oh my God. Is that the attitude of a student from a private school? One of the famous school? Oh my God. Nagagalit ako sa iyo. Oh, 1, 2. Oh my God. He punched 3 times, man. And the taller boy didn't answer. He received a lot of punches, a lot of kick. He received a kick, man. A smaller boy kicked him. The taller boy, man, want to fight or want to answer because he received a lot of punches. He kicked him. That's why the taller boy is doing like this. He wants to answer from the smaller boy. Go back to the video, man. Wow! What a punch! Oh my God! Nakagalit ako sa iyo. Please, have mercy on him. He received a big punch from the smaller boy. What's going on? Arineo or even the parents of this small boy, I think he studied martial art, and the taller boy, he didn't know how to answer. What the 1, 2, 3. Boy, smaller boy. Why did you kick him? Why did you punch him? Whoo! What's happening? What the Oh my God. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. The blood is flowing from his nose, going down. Oh my God. Look at his face. And this boy, a small boy, is started from a famous school. One of the famous, a private school. Is that what you learn from the school? You learn like that? To bully all the students that you want? I can't believe it. Is this a real? What the You know? My blood is going up. Meaning high blood. Ako high blood sa'yo. Nagagalit ako sa'yo. What the And then they escape. What the Is this a real? Comment down below, man. Comment down below. Is this the video is real? Is this really happening in the Philippines? Really? Because I've been there. This year, 2018, I've been there 5 times. I have a lot of friends, especially in Cebu, Palawan, Baguio, Bohol, and even Davao. Is that right, Davao? I've been there. They are humble, trustworthy, obedient, kind, lovable, a kind attitude. And one thing that I really like the Filipino is always smiling like this. But after I saw this video, a video that got viral online in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, but all over the world. Even the Hollywood. Watch this video already. And the same me, nagagalit ako sa iyo. What the f***? Boy, to the boy that got bullied, boy. Man, I live here in Canada for almost 23 years. Okay, man. Don't worry, I'm asking to the President of the Philippines, Mayor Duterte, the powerful president. I'm asking your help. Please, help him. This bullied boy. Okay, boy, to the bullied boy, this is my advice for you, and this is my comment to you. Don't worry, man. We love you, man. We really love you, man. Don't worry, God loves you. I know this happened. There's a reason, man. Keep on praying. Keep on believing. God is there for you. God is there for us, loving us. Don't worry, man. And to the boy, a small boy, what the f... Man, please don't do that again. Don't do that again. This is not a joke. This is a serious problem in your country, Philippines. Country's tagline is more fun in the Philippines. But now the new tagline is, it's more bullying in the Philippines. What the f... I feel disappointed because this video is not a good example. A young boy, this is not a good example, man. I want you to watch this. The taller boy, I want you to watch this, bro. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I love you, man. I love you. God loves you. Everyone loves you. Okay? Don't worry. We're here for you. Thank you. Be humble. Always be humble. God is there for you. I love you, man.